Hi folks, I've been doing a little experiment in the last couple of weeks, following on from something that Knife Cuts with Tobias did, and I've been using this as my one and only everyday carry knife, and this is the Rough Rider Mini Toothpick. Which you can see from the fact I'm holding it between finger and thumb, it is a tiny little knife. So I carried this for 2 weeks, and only this, nothing else. Well, it's still alive, so it must have sufficed for all my needs. And then, about last weekend, I swapped over and I started carrying this instead. This is a case mini butterbean, which you could call a mini canoe. It's a 2-blade little knife. Now, in terms of size comparison with the little toothpick, the toothpick is long. Just throw that away. The toothpick is very slightly longer, but the butterbean is just a little bit. It's not only slightly chunkier, but it's also a little bit squarer. I find with this, when it comes to opening and closing, that because it's so round, when I come to try and get the nail nick, the whole knife tends to turn in my hand, which makes it really difficult to get it open. And as a result, the knife is actually reasonably capable, but you can just see here the trouble I had every time I wanted to open it to do a little task. There was a case of this. So I give up. The butterbean, on the other hand, because it's a flatter, squarer sort of a knife, when it comes to opening it, I can just open it every time. Plus it's got 2 blades instead of 1, and okay, it's heavier, but by how much? I mean, really? Nothing. Tiny. Now, a normal everyday carry knives, traditionally for a long time I've been carrying this, which compared to the butterbean is, chalk and cheese. Or my new favourite everyday carry knife is the JE made Lanny's clip. I think the Lanny's clip is a better knife for everyday carrying, but it's twice the price of the PK70, and the PK70 is just a lovely thing, and the two knives have got a lot in common. This is 30V, the Lanny's clip is S35V, better steel, but they're both good steels. Titanium bolsters, titanium frame, titanium bolsters, stainless steel frame, carbon fibre covers, G10 covers. But the other knife that I carry quite a lot and I quite like is the Case Trapper. This is slightly worrying on the blade length, because it's, cutting edge is okay, but the full length is too long. But this is really good for cutting up apples, and I eat lots of apples, so that makes it particularly good. This less good for cutting up apples because the blade is a little bit thicker, being a sabre grind. This is brilliant for cutting up apples because it's full fat grind. So they're all great, but I've survived with the mini Toothpick, and I've survived with the mini butterbean. Both have been good. This one has been better. I quite like its bigger brother, the canoe. I have a case canoe, a butt canoe, and a rough rider canoe, all of which are better. Case being my favourite of those. So there we go. I'll carry this for a few days more, but I'm kind of getting towards the time when I want to go back to carrying something decent, and this is going to be my EDC knife from this weekend onwards. So there we are. Thank you very much. Bye.